In this video, I'm going to show you how to use TinyTask over and over. So let's say you've made a simple sequence of clicking with TinyTask, however you have to run it over and over again and click on it each and every single time so it plays again. We can actually make it continuous and it never stops until you decide to stop it yourself. And the way you do this is by simply recording a simple simple mouse pattern. I'm gonna click record, click over here 4 times, press record yet again, and if you want to play this now, as you can see, it happens 1 time, and that's it. I can now use back my mouse. Now, before we do this continuous playback, what I want to show you is how to actually stop it, because if you can't stop it, this can be quite annoying. If you go to Preferences, under here where it says Playback hotkey, check which one you've got selected. So the default is Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus P, but you can also set it to print screen F8 or F12, whichever you prefer, of course. Now, just set one, write it down, and remember what it is, so you don't forget it, because it can be quite painful if you forget. And then, if you want to have a continuous over and over playback automatically, you want to click on Preferences yet again, and select Continuous Playback over here. So, click on this, and as you can see, there will now be a continuous playback. It has a check mark. Again, the hotkey is Ctrl Shift Alt plus P, so I'm just gonna click play now, and as you can see, this just keeps on playing and it never stops until I stop it. And the way I stop it is by pressing Ctrl Shift Alt and P, and as you can see, it now stopped. Ctrl Shift Alt plus P, there we go, it stopped. So that's pretty much it. That's how to use TinyTask over and over. You can then save this or export this as an exe file, and it will have a continuous playback. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.